Pnawn da a croeso. Welcome to the first in our daily lessons, Cymraeg yn y cartre, Welsh in the home. Really sorry about the technical hitch we've had today. We'll sort it by tomorrow, but we can get started anyway with this video. Now then, what we aim to do is to give you a daily, very basic lesson for beginners. 10 munud, 10 minutes each day. Os ydych chi'n dysgu Cymraeg, if you're learning Welsh already, this is going to be rather basic for you. But why don't you pass on the phrases we'll be learning to other people? That's easy enough to do. So, to get started, I'm going to introduce myself. Helen dwi. Helen dwi. Helen dwi. Now, in English, we say, I'm Helen. And Gymraeg, in Welsh, we put our name first. Very self-centered. So, Helen dwi. Helen dwi. I want you to copy me. I want you to put the name I give you into a sentence. Bob. Bob dwi. Catrin. Catrin dwi. Mari. Mari dwi. Aled. Aled dwi. But in my case, Helen dwi. You tell me who you are. Who you are. Da iawn. Now, under the present circumstances, I know that's not a particularly useful phrase because we're not really introducing ourselves to a lot of new people. But we are going to look at some useful phrases we can learn and use yn y cartre at the moment. So, the first word we're going to learn is gwylio. And gwylio means to watch. Gwylio. Try it. Gwylio. Have a look at it. Gwylio. So this O in Welsh is really important. It's not an O, but it's an O. Gwylio. Have a look at it. Gwylio. So, do you remember Helen dwi? Well, to say I watch or I'm watching, we simply say dwi'n gwylio. Dwi'n gwylio. Dwi'n gwylio. Now, I am going to be asking you to say things out loud because that's what learning a language is all about, obviously. Dwi'n gwylio. I watch or I'm watching. Dwi'n gwylio. So, put these into sentences. Coronation Street. Dwi'n gwylio Coronation Street. EastEnders. Dwi'n gwylio EastEnders. Newsnight. Dwi'n gwylio Newsnight. Pobl y com. Dwi'n gwylio pobl y com. And probably you've got children at home with you at the moment. They maybe like to watch Welsh television. There are fantastic programmes on the Welsh television channel at the moment, S4C, and they've got a special school called Cyw. So you can say, dwi'n gwylio Cyw. Dwi'n gwylio Cyw. So, Helen dwi. Dwi'n gwylio pobl y com. Introduce yourself and tell me what you are watching at the moment. Da iawn. Okay, the next word we're going to look at is a little bit more difficult because it's got the unique Welsh sound in the middle. We're going to learn how to say to read, which is darllen. So, to say I read or I'm reading, it's really easy. Dwi'n darllen. Have a look at it. Darllen. So this L you'll hear in place names like Llanelli, Llantrisant, Llandrindod, Llandudno, and here it's in the middle of the word darllen. Try it. Darllen. To read, darllen. So, I read, or I'm reading. Dwi'n darllen. Me? Dwi'n darllen the Western Mail. I've got 2 books on the go at the moment. Yn Gymraeg, my Welsh book. Dwi'n darllen Tre Heli. And my llyfr Saesneg, my English book. Dwi'n darllen Milkman. Dwi'n darllen. Try it. Dwi'n darllen. And tell me what you're reading. Da iawn. So, Helen dwi. Dwi'n gwylio Pobl y Cwm. Dwi'n darllen Western Mail. Darllen. And just one more for today. This is what a lot of us are doing at the moment yn y cartre, at home. Dwi'n gweithio. Dwi'n gweithio. I'm working. Dwi'n gweithio. Try it. Dwi'n gweithio. Eto, and again. Dwi'n gweithio. Dwi'n gweithio. So, if someone is asking for you something in the house and you're busy, you can reply with either one of these phrases. Na, dwi'n darllen. Na, dwi'n gwylio Netflix. Or na, dwi'n gweithio. Now then, 5-word challenge. By tomorrow, I wonder can you learn 5 different verbs so you can make up loads of sentences. I bet you can understand what I'm saying now. Dwi'n siopa. Dwi'n sgïo. Dwi'n dawnsio. Really simple. So by tomorrow, get 5 new verbs. The other thing we're going to look at quickly today is rhifau, numbers. Now, we're going to do up to 5 today, and then by the end of tomorrow's lesson, we'll start looking at some simple sums you can do with the children in the cartre. So, un. You try it. Un. Da iawn. Un. Dau. 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 Tri. 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 Un. Dau. Tri. A chi, and you? Un, dau, tri. Eto, and again. Un, dau, tri. Okay. Pedwar. Now then, yn Gymraeg, if possible, sound the final r. In English, we drive a car. In Gymraeg, we drive a car. Same word, different pronunciation. So, 4 isn't pedwar, it's pedwar. Pedwar, try it. Pedwar. Eto, pedwar. Pedwar. Un. Dau. Tri. Pedwar. Un. Dau. Tri. Pedwar. And finally, pimp. Pimp. Un, dau, tri, pedwar, pimp. I'll write the number on the board. You say it out loud. 3. Pimp. 1. 1, 2, 3, pedwar, pimp. So, let's recap. Helen dwi. Dwi'n darllen Western Mail. Dwi'n gwylio Pobl y Cwm. Dwi'n gweithio. Dwi'n gweithio yn y cartre. I work at home. 1, 2, 3, pedwar, pimp. Please use these phrases as much as you can before tomorrow, but also take a look at our website, www.learnwelsh.cymru, and there you'll have a choice of resources. You can look at our welcome courses, but also look at our entry-level course in Unit 1 and look specifically at the alphabet and at rhifau. Hwyl fawr! See you tomorrow when we'll be looking at some questions, and apologies again for the technical hitch today. Diolch yn fawr.